In this video, let us see how to VLOOKUP multiple values into one cell in Excel. This is the small example data that I would be using for the demo. Here we have continents in column B and countries in column C. Using this data range, let us extract the countries by looking up the continent name. First, let us create a drop-down list in cell F6 with the continent names. Select cell F6, go to Data ribbon, click on Data Validation in the Data Tools group. In the Validation criteria under Allow, select List from the drop-down. In the Source section, type Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, as these are the unique continents in column B, and click OK. Now check whether it is working or not and select Asia. Now in the cell F7, type the formula as equals to text join, open the parenthesis, in the inverted quotes, give comma, true, if, open the parenthesis, select the range of continent, that is B5 to B22 equals to F6, and now select the countries range, that is C5 to C22, inverted quotes and close inverted quotes. Close the parenthesis for the if function, close again with the parenthesis for the text join, and press Shift plus Control plus Enter as this is an array formula. Okay. You will be thrilled to see the result as China, Indonesia, India, Pakistan, United Arab Emirates. Exactly the same as we have expected it to be. That is, lookup values based on the criteria in the single cell itself by comma separated. Got it, friends? So in this way you can VLOOKUP multiple values into one cell in Excel. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you friends. Thanks for